Did you know anyone can see your Facebook friend list by default? That includes strangers, fake accounts, and even people stalking your profile. In this video, I'll show you how to hide your Facebook friend list from everyone. And it takes less than 30 seconds on your phone. Hey everyone, welcome back to Preyo Phonie, where I share simple, smart, and secure social media tips to protect your online life. Step 1. Launch the Facebook app on your smartphone and make sure you're logged in. This process works on both Android and iPhone devices. Once the app opens, stay on the home screen to continue. Step 2. Locate the 3-line menu icon in the top right corner of the screen. This menu gives you access to all account and privacy controls. Open it to reveal your Facebook settings options. Step 3. Move down the menu until you find Settings and Privacy. Expand this section, then proceed into Settings. This is where Facebook stores all major privacy and visibility controls. Step 4. Inside Settings, navigate to Audience and Visibility. From there, choose how people find and contact you. This section controls how others can discover and view your profile details. If this tip helped you, hit the like button. It really supports the channel. And make sure to subscribe to Preyo Phonie for more Facebook, Instagram, and tech privacy tips every week. Step 5. Look for the option labeled Who Can See Your Friend List. This setting decides whether your connections are public or private. Open it to customize who gets access. Step 6. Set the visibility option to Only Me. This instantly locks your friend list from everyone else. Your connections are now completely hidden from public view. That's it, mission accomplished. Your Facebook friend list is now fully private. No friends, no strangers, no browsing, just you in control.
Hey everyone, welcome back
Thanks
to
for
Preyo
watching,
Phonie,
and
where I share
remember,
simple, smart,
your
and secure
privacy
social
is your
media tips
power
to
in the
protect your
digital
online
world.
life.
If you have any questions or want more Facebook tricks, drop a comment below. I personally read them. Until next time, this is Preyo Phonie, keeping your social media simple, smart, and secure.